What?
Dumbass.
I heard eat, and I thought he was about to say he forgot to eat today.
Clear comp.
Jason, shot.
We don't care. We want a pit stop though.
Pete stuff.
I didn't shoot you.
Actually, where'd you finish on qualifying?
Just kidding, I did.
I don't remember.
Oh my god. I know Crab was first. I know I'm in the top 5. Jason second.
Jason, you're second, dickhead.
I think I'm 4th.
Lining up
Pretty
behind me.
sure I'm 4th.
You are 4th.
Okay.
Zaxby's 5th.
Jackson.
Nick's gonna be on the apron. I was gonna fly past you.
Like me, building a rock, gonna
Fine,
find a
let's go.
body.
God damn.
Who's that back there? Of course it is.
Twan.
It won't count for your respawn.
Can I respawn mine then? I got a bunch of nerve damage.
No, because you did it.
Hey, it wasn't, you know, he should have been on the apron.
As Ryan almost backs into you.
I was like, yeah. Let's go, Twan. I thought you said never mind, but you being away.
Alright, so
Antoine, before you get on, make sure you get everything done before you get on.
can I help you?
Sure,
About
dude.
that. My best friend sent me a video on Instagram talking about a person saying why they like drinking so much. And the first thing they said, it makes them feel good, makes them want to move and have fun. That sums me up, don't you think, Ryan? I call you the most when I'm drunk anyway.
Yeah.
I still never hear you drunk.
If I get drunk again, I'll call you.
Yeah, probably
Okay,
a little
If I get
work,
a,
too.
good to know if I get a phone call from Rosa Parks, you're drunk. There's tipsy in
I
the back
cannot
of the
see
bus.
anything. My cat decides to sit in the middle of the fucking screen.
It's funny because I now know what he means when he says in front of the screen.
I can't help it, Jason.
Jason.
Attack. Snake, what happened to your door?
His door is still there. Oh, Jesus, Jason! Yes, you did!
Race it back or no?
Ow!
Don't blame me, Sexy. Blame Jason. He did it. Antoine, I saw that. What was that?
Oh, my bad, Snake.
You pull over the truck in front of me?
I would get drunk. I would plan on getting drunk in Charlotte, but I'm not gonna do
That's
that.
so close.
Huh?
I said I would get drunk in Charlotte, but I don't think I'm gonna do that.
You ain't getting drunk in my car. I'm gonna tell you that much. You can walk
I
away.
don't throw up. I don't throw
No,
up.
I just don't want you in my car if you're gonna be drunk.
I think it's illegal.
I drink illegally now. It'll be fine. I'll get text Julia to get the drink from her. Who get shot me? Sax, I know it was you.
No.
Ryan, that one was you.
Oh, I know. Alright. Thank you.
If I die, I'm gonna go over the wall.
I didn't know you were Hispanic.
Why did you have a mini gun out? I'm gonna die because of y'all.
Oh my god.
Imagine I'm like one tap right now. I'm actually gonna die. Actually.
He wasn't lying. He legit was one tap.
I told you.
It was actually 2-tab, if you believe it or not.
Hey, Jay.
Are we good?
You managed to hit my
Stop
car
moving
all the way
around.
down here. Why? What are you doing?
Truck.
Wow, that's my truck.
He wanted it. He wants the truck.
He's stealing my rock. Oh my god. I literally can't get in my truck. I refuse to race without a door. I'm using my other truck. I never like racing without a door. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. I can't stand it.
I mean, you are technically racing without a door anytime you race any other series out of GTA.
Come on, Jagoff, let's go.
Yeah, Jay, come on. Get up here. Everything's so slow.
But that count as my respawn, Chris, so that's fine.
You're welcome.
On my
Jay.
spot, man.
Hey, Jay, you need somebody to shoot your car. I got you.
I already shot it. Go away.
I got you.
I already shot it. Go away.
Here we go.
I need an adult.
Oh, well, neither Antoine or I were in the...
What'd you say, Jason?
I'm gonna hope somebody falls back so we can actually catch.
What the
The
fuck?
hell? Ryan, what was that? I saw that.
Yeah, that was lag. Oh shit, hi. Fuck it. Oh god, Jay, you're there.
We talked about this.
It's okay.
I don't like when you do that. We talked about that.
It was in the team meeting. Oh! Ooh, loose. Come here, Jason.
Wow.
I love you, King Julian.
Oh my bad, I didn't mean to show you up that high, I'm
Oh
sorry.
my god. See, please tell me you saw that, Antoine. How close that was.
Why are you turning me? Don't take out that wow.
Yeah, we...
When we parked Jason, he turned down an enemy so he could take the position.
Shut the right with Jason. I saw that. And missed.
Yeah, he purposely made me go on my side. There,
Yeah, can we park Jason for a lap?
Yeah, can we just park him throughout
Park
the
him the rest
entire
of the
season?
season. God damn it,
You
Ryan.
weren't up here. Go away.
Well, Jason's retiring out of this season anyway, in both leagues, so.
Is he actually?
Which is
Yes,
stupid.
he said that.
Oh.
Alright,
A lot of people are retiring.
Chris?
Free spot on Red Wolf next season?
I mean.
Good,
Hey!
we're all dangerously too close together.
Ryan, you see this shit right here? You see this? Don't do this. Don't do this shit right here. Don't do that shit again.
It's okay.
I'm saying that for my sake. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all. I'm saying that for my sake. I'm joking. I'm joking. Can y'all fuck off? What are y'all doing?
I don't know what he's doing.
Did you say you gotta get off too?
Hi, crap.
Yeah, try it if you want to. I'm gonna deal with you when I get to Ryan. Jesus Christ!
I wish somebody else would have laid off after they jumped it.
Don't look at me.
I'm not looking at you. I'm looking at somebody else. In the yellow box.
Bro, how do you not know when to go? You've been here for more than a season.
Wow, you go a split second before, not halfway across the field. It's just a split second. If you do like a split second early, it's not illegal.
Sassy. Unintentionally, no. Hey.
I'm not doing anything. Calm down.
Excuse me, sir. That's my thunder.
Excuse me, bro.
I wasn't trying to come down, the truck just went. Meow.
Oh shit, my bad, Ryan.
You're good. I had nowhere to go at that time. I had
I'm not mad at that. I had a huge run I let off, and I didn't expect the run to still carry on. That's my bad. I think it's been a while since we all raced, and the trucks are back to the default setting for being pushing. Exhibit the fuck A. I meant what I said. If you go all the way down on the A or all the way to turn one, I'm not coming. I'm not going up the track.
Oh, hi.
Baba booty.
Fun fact,
Hi,
anytime,
Jason.
usually when I'm in this paint scheme crit, I usually win. Unless that
Are you sure
happens.
about that? Are you sure about that?
And there he goes.
He's outside top 5 though. Outside top 5.
What spot where you in,
No, he
Jay?
was in 6.
Damn.
He was at my door and I was in 5th.
So when y'all see a car getting loose, y'all just don't think to let off, or y'all just keep pushing.
I
God
had
damn!
nothing to do with it. Leave me alone.
Shit to Talladega again, huh, Ryan?
I am getting annoyed.
Right. My bad, right? Oh,
I have no clue, Wild.
What the fuck is that? What is Antoine doing now?
Oh my god, Swan, let's go!
Ant-Man. Ice is
Yeah,
not
it's
looking
behind.
for you. Get up here.
You say that on the stream?
Yes.
You sure? Red flag. Why? He text me?
God damn it, border jumper!
You were serious about that? I thought you were joking when you said. Ow.
Jay, you're Hispanic.
I'm a slave.
I didn't say that. I just said you're Hispanic.
Yeah, I'm not man.
I didn't say you owned them. I just said you're Hispanic.
We are not starting an orchestra. Whoever started honking, I hope you're happy with what the fuck you just did.
I don't think it
think
is.
so. Jason, get the fuck back here. I got it. You're not an admin. Go sit your fat ass back over there. I got this. Not in my eyes. You don't do shit. Yes, he's in the infield on 1 and 2. Okay, Antoine gets back. Next time we get a caution with this last back. Also, I hit the wall very hard before my hood is not popped. So, whoever turned me, thank you. Really appreciate it. Airmobile.
Yeah, wouldn't he be in 7th?
I don't know.
Mobile, Bubba.
I don't think so, because there we go.
Antoine has
That's not what I was trying to say. I guess. False.
Keep it going, keep it going. I'm fine, I'm fine. Oh, well, Wild's not.
Not too late. We already called the false. Antoine is not disconnect.
That's okay, you could be Ricky. There's worse.
Alright, you gonna get here in time? Yeah, you will. And now he's back.
We already went again, so you gotta get a lap back.
We went without you. You gotta get your lap back. A little bit of a warning when you're leaving would be nice there, Antoine, I'm not gonna lie. You don't have to send the party, just text me at least. Or email me, do something, let me know. Send me a letter, damn it. No more bricks.
I'm going first person.
I'm going to the hood camp.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Here is the G. Did you run us something? You sound very out of breath. I can imagine Antoine getting them all in one go while running. So I didn't lag out, I'm not gonna lie. I honestly know you were.
Not gonna point it out, not gonna say anything.
Oh, what up? He's going this cock out. I'm so tight because of the hood damage.
I absolutely shoved the crap out of Jason. And then he just abandons me after I give him that help. Wow.
But that's what.
After all I've done for you.
Oh, sorry, crap. I'm sorry, the slipstream got me tight. Oh, crap, here.
Drive with one
Oh,
hand.
sorry, I thought you were further back than what you were. You know, you could have been involved in that, so I think that was your saving grace.
Yes, I got
Damn
it!
it! Damn it!
Dude, that
Whoa.
was the closest battle between me and Jake going to the line.
That was like Ricky Craven and Kurt Busch at Darlington at one time.
It was more like the Texas finish for the Xfinity series.
Fair enough, except it wasn't for the win, or for the lead. One. Ryan, we might do that real quick. Play trash next season.
We'll see.
Huh?
We'll discuss it first.
What is it?
We'll discuss it later. Is there everybody here? Yeah, looks like it. At the box. Are you confident about that?
Rain Rivers at Talladega.
Alright, time to put Ryan. I'm not trying to force you up. I'm really tight because of this damn one.
Yeah, I
In
know.
both races,
Slipstream
I
will
have
make it
gotten a
tight.
perfect run to get just barely clear of Jason.
Sexy!
You're fine.
I don't want you wrecking yourself. That's why I yelled your name.
You're fine.
Hey!
You're fine.
Fucking taxi.
You're fine.
Ah, dude.
I saved it. You're fine. I did a nice little 360 spin.
Fine,
and
I
got
mean, I
going.
guess.
Oh, never mind. I almost went to pit road. I was about to stick 24 going in.
Jay just does not know his laps.
No, I swear I heard Ryan say 5 going in. He's not even a 5. I swear I thought him say he was going in. Skills 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are. I like this. Never mind. Never mind. I had to say something.
Crab, are you struggling with handling?
Me?
It's a crab.
But when I spun, you know
Yeah.
it wasn't.
After that turn,
Before going
weird.
in. Before going in. Are you going in or not, Ryan? I kind of need to know.
I'm going in.
I didn't hear you fully.
Box this time, box Luis, box.
Go. You're welcome.
Hello, Chris.
Trying to get you out there quicker. Just keep holding the line. Chris, give me a push. We can get out there faster.
Hi.
Yes. Ride the apron all the way to the back stretch. You hit that blue line. Alright, we're good to merge, Ryan. Oh god, we lost Chris. We lost Chris. We lost
Poor Chris.
Hold on, Chris. Ryan, back it down a little bit. That's not how you back it down, Ryan.
Oh, I did not even hear what he said. Hold on.
Wait,
Let me see how far away I am.
I'm feeling like Blaney was centered right now. I'm feeling like Blaney was centered right now.
Are you gonna get caught up in a wreck?
I've already been caught up in a wreck.
Late wreck.
I don't know. You tell me. Look at my career. He didn't perform like he. I mean, he finished worse than Ryan. Ryan at least got a top 6. I mean, he's tough for you.
Womp womp.
I've already spun Sax. He kept forcing me down, so I had to spin him.
Because I was trying to run my line. You were in my way.
I forced him all the way down.
Yes.
Well, your line eventually got caught in my front bumper, and then yeah, that happened.
Don't worry, your racing line will be caught with a suspension from All Stars.
You're only doing that because you know I'm a threat. That's the only reason you're doing this.
Correct.
He just wants to beat the championship.
Correct.
Ryan, you might be able to beat them out. I don't know if me and Chris will though, but you could beat them out. Oh no, you won't. You won't beat Jason. Barely.
Hey, we gained a friend.
You gained the front. You're welcome for the pushes. To be fair, one of the races, there was one time at Homestead where you stayed out like for a long time. That's what really fucked you up that one time.
Ah. My god. And. My bad. My bad. You
Good
could have
save, Ryan,
went
not gonna
to
lie.
Chris. That was my fault.
That was a good save though, Jason. I didn't see.
They're most likely gonna kill each other up there anyways.
We got Jason up here, so probably. I got tight behind Jason. Damn.
I just saw Chris face the infield for a second.
All
He
right,
did a
Chris.
quick little wave to the fans and then corrected it.
Whoa! It's so loose. I'm surprised we haven't yet. Ah! I'm okay.
I might have it now.
What do you mean that wasn't your fault? Yes, it was. I held my line.
Hey Jay.
Who's just behind me? Oh, cool. Friends. Are y'all not in my draft?
No, he pushed me into the turn and it got me up tight.
Got murdered. My head is itching.
Don't pull the wall and slam your head into a wall. Don't do it.
I'm scratching my
Very
head in the
aggressive.
corner if you can't tell.
Oh god, it's online.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
You got Jason. No. God.
Hey Jay.
Made it through! Me and Crab made it through.
Sorry.
I got loose because
Take
Jay
it off
gave me
my
no
fucking
room
finger.
to work with.
God damn it.
You have to know, Jay, that you're not going to leave me any space to work with. That's why I got sideways.
I was behind you.
No, you weren't. You were still at my quarter
Ah.
panel. I couldn't move up.
Are we talking about
God
when the
damn
wreck
it. That's
happened?
not what I fucking wanted.
Going into turn 1, you were still in my quarter panel. I could not move up, and it's what got me sideways.
I think I was that close. I can't hear shit. Oh, wait, I'm second. What am I doing? Wait. Ugh, again? Ugh. Damn it. X1 2.0 over here. About that. She got a lot of white friends.
I was out of nowhere, but okay.
So you taught him to be that horny.
So you taught him to disappear mid-race. Got it.
I don't know who to feel sorry for, Wild or Antoine.
Both.
Jason the singer. That's not why I told you.
God damn, like, why is everyone full throttle?
I don't see you lagging.
Now I'm sliding up. Inside.
Because he shoves him into the wall.
Can I please get room back up?
Whoa!
I tried to give you room, Sneak.
Shut up.
That was cringy, but a good one.
Really is Antoine's son.
Oh, my bad. I didn't see you there. My bad.
I bet Antoine told him that joke. I bet Antoine told him that joke. Oh god, lag. Oh my god.
Damn, Saxy, almost.
Oh my god.
God, I got fucking sound so loud. You're good. You're good. Yep, driving back. Inside Snake.
Gosh, that'd be cool.
I had to back it down because I did not know how I was going to take that turn.
Lag. Lag and like buy people chop my nose
I'm
off at once.
backing down. Oh my god, sorry, Staxy. This is not gonna be good. Whoa, boy. Ah, fuck. Yeah, honestly, no promises. Yep,
For damn sure, I
better, well,
will keep
4 to
moving.
go. It's 4 to go.
We got one lap for it to happen. Jesus.
I did not trust that shit whatsoever. How much is actually? Nope. Inside Jake. Oh, never mind, you're good. My bad. I thought I was closer than what I was.
I was committed. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even check.
Oh!
Oh my God. I swear to God. Fucking dumb.
Yes! Damn it, dude.
Fucking God. So fucking stupid.
Honestly.
Antoine gets turned
Getting
and I
used up
get
by
fucking
every
turned
fucking
with it.
buddy.